This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry-covered chocolate latte and good coffee, great coffee. Full guide. Start by heating 1 cup milk on medium, stir in 2 tablespoons cocoa and 2 tablespoons strawberry syrup, then pull a double shot of espresso or use 3. 5 ounces strong brewed coffee. Froth milk to silky microfoam, pour over espresso, and finish with drizzled chocolate and a strawberry slice. Gather 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons strawberry syrup, and a double espresso shot or 3. 5 ounces strong coffee. Chop a ripe strawberry for garnish and have your frother and pitcher ready. Sift the cocoa for lump-free mixing, dissolve it into warm milk before frothing, and preheat your cup with hot water to maintain temperature when serving. These steps save time and improve quality in every cup. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. The comfort pairs well with sipping a latte. Check the description for the link and other deals to save. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Steam or heat milk to 150 degrees F. Then froth to silky microfoam with small, consistent bubbles for a smooth mouthfeel. Pour the espresso and hold back foam, then pour milk in one steady motion, finishing with a gentle wiggle for a simple heart or rosette. Drizzle melted dark chocolate over the top and place a thin strawberry slice on the rim for color and bright acidity that complements the chocolate and adds visual flair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.